here getting some tea at one of my new favorite tea shops here in Stockholm, AC Purse. Jag skulle vilja ha lite milky oolong.
It's bigger, it's not so crushed. Hur mycket vill du ha?
100 gram kanske?
It's way.
I met my friend at Alaya and we decided to try out some bags. I really love the cut out details on this bag, and I think it's so useful with this beautiful top handle, and I also love that it has feet underneath. The larger size is more functional, however I think that the smaller one is so much cuter. I realized that I didn't take too much footages when we went out for the shopping before coming home. Now I'm doing some traditional baking at home. I'm making lussebullar, the most traditional Swedish buns you can eat during Christmas. These are buns with saffron, which gives it this yellow color, and then I added actually cranberry on it instead of raisin, which is actually put traditionally. I don't like raisin, so I always put cranberry. Me and my friends went to gym, and afterwards we were all craving eel rice. Look at that. It's one of the best eel rice and matcha places in Stockholm, and we even got this octopus bowl, which I was so excited to try, and it was so good. For Christmas this year, me and my boyfriend decided to pack some homemade granolas that we made and gift to friends and family. I love that it's not a super high effort and overly ambitious thing to do, yet it feels like a very thoughtful and wholesome gift when packed with a card.
Vi har några chokladkakor och brända syltrumlar och saffransfrisk jordnötsgrej. Vi har saffrans havresaker och saffrans baltbollar.
Let's go for some chocolate. Gud vad mysigt. I'm back in Lund, and today we are hanging out, me and my sister, in the town. We are just outside the Grand Hotel, which is this building, and we are heading out to eat our favorite burger in the whole world, right? Yes. Yeah.
It's so good.
Kommer fram. Oh my god, det här är någon chutney-sås och det här är Janne, jag vet inte vad det är. Och där finns en chili sensation. Lyft på locket. Wow! Det ser jättegott ut.